Welcome. Today you are going to write your very first Python program in just 1 minute. Let's make it happen. So don't worry if you are brand new to programming, this is gonna be super easy. So Python is awesome language, easy to learn, used for everything from automation to build cool apps. So and the best part, you don't need to be pro to start using it. So all right, let's write our first line of Python code. Open up your Python editor and type this. Print hello world. So this tells Python to show hello world on your screen. So easy, right? So now hit the run. There you go. So hello world, this is your first Python program. That's the power of Python. Simple, fast, ready to help to automate tasks. So see, that was super easy, right? In the next video we will level up and start doing even cooler steps. So make sure to hit like, subscribe and drop a comment if you are ready to learn more Python tips. Catch up in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.